The driver of a haulage truck ferrying tons of sugar lost control of the vehicle after a brake failure, resulting in the truck veering off the road and landed on its side. Part of the Gold Star white sugar consignment was thrown off the trailer during the mishap. By the time we visited the scene, police was covering the remaining bags of sugar with tents while controlling traffic movement past the scene. Barely a week passes without an accident being recorded at Christmas Pass, with some of them being fatal. In some cases, goods worth thousands of dollars are damaged.
Thank you.